What's up, team Fullest? It's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So yeah, you guys have read the title, okay? So today we're going to do another Zalando unboxing. Like I'm so done with buying clothes, but I have ordered some stuff which are still on the way from Aliexpress like weeks ago. They're still not here. But before we jump into this video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share, and follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page for more pictures. Like guys, I have this wish list by Zalando. Whenever I see something I really like, I put it in my wish list. And sometimes it will take 5, 6, 7 months. I won't buy anything for myself. I make sure I sort everything out. I sort the kids out, I sort the house, make sure everything is cool, and then when I feel like everything is in its right place, everything is going good, and I kind of like, okay, you know what, it's time to take care of myself. It's time to, you know, to like spend on myself, because it's good to take care of others, but if you don't take care of yourself, it's also not good. You know, you need to give yourself a good energy. I feel happy when I see my family, my kids, everybody's doing great, everybody's all sort out, everybody's have what they want. I feel happy, and at the same time I'm like, you know what, I need to take care of myself. So I have a lot of things in my wish list, and I'm like, you know what, this month I do have a little bit extra to spend, so I thought, you know what, let me just get some of this stuff in my wish list. I'm still young, like I'm 27 years old. I still have a long journey ahead me, and I really need to take care of myself. I know I'm a mom, but I'm still a very young girl, so I need to look good, feel good, you know, do good, all kind of things. So I'm really excited about the stuff I pick up. I'll try and put pictures here of the outfit, because you guys know I really don't like that try on, pull them open, put, remove, put, remove. I just can't. If the stuff are like really small, 2 or 3 stuff, I wouldn't mind, but like when it's like I have to take everything off, especially right now I'm not feeling too good. If you guys have followed me on Instagram, I post a lot of things on my story, so follow me on my Instagram, on my story. Link will be here. Like, I'll put the name here at AMIFULLEST on Instagram. I post a lot of story time, and I also try to put on my community's page here some pictures. I went to a festival, and me and my best friend, and it was so fun. We had good time, we drank. One thing about me and drinking alcohol, there's no problem about drinking. I can drink the alcohol, but after the drinking, the couple of days to come, I'm gonna have headache, I'm gonna feel sick, I'm not gonna be feeling fine. So that is what I'm going through right now. It's like my system is still not yet normal. I still feel headache, tired, I feel like vomiting, like all the kind of things, because alcohol is not really good for my system, but I don't know why I still drink it. I don't drink it all the time. It's only like when we're going out, and both of us, we don't really go out that often, you know. We go out like once in a while. We don't hang out, we talk on the phone, but we don't really go out, because we are both mom, we have kids, we have other things. But once in a while we'll be like, you know what, hey, there's a festival here, let's go and have fun. So that's how we roll, you know. It's good, it was great, but I'm still like in that still not feeling so good mood. But yeah, so let me guys open the box. So this one is a big box. It's a big box. Oh, this is everything. This is everything I got from Zalando. So I have the price, and yes, I got everything I got here was on sales. Okay, clear the record, everything was on sales. I didn't buy anything here on its original price, because your girl do not have that kind of money to spend. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about this white dress. I like to buy for summer. Like when I see something I really like, I'll be like, oh, this would be very nice for the summer, I'll buy it. And in the summer, I normally pick stuff up for the winter. I don't know why. That's how I shop it. Or maybe something come out in the summer and I really like it, I'll pick it up. But I barely shop in summer for summer clothes. I mostly shopping in the winter for summer, and the summer for winter, because then the clothes are much cheaper. and I have my own style. I'm not really a fashion girl who follow trend. I like fashion, but I'm not a trendy person who like follow trend. Like, oh, there's this new trend, everybody must follow. I don't follow trend because I can't. You know, I have my own trend. I have my own way of dressing up. I have my own way of doing things, so I don't really follow trend that much. I don't really try. I try not to follow trend because I don't have the budget for trend. So I buy whatever I feel like I need it, and if I don't have the money, then I leave it. So I got myself this beautiful white dress. I'll try and put a picture somewhere here of the dress. It's a really beautiful long white dress. It's kind of still. I bought this in size 38. That is size 10 UK. I don't know. I got this in Zalando, so it came with this. It came in like this. It's all still. It's pretty long. The dress is like pretty long. I feel like this would be so nice in the summer. Wait, let me get my phone because I don't have my glasses and I can't read this. So, or let me get my glasses, because even with my phone, I can't read if I don't have my glasses on. Okay, because my eyes are like, ooh, that looks good. It feels good to just have some glasses on. So let's go to a Zalando besteld. Mine besteld. Let's go. It's opened. Okay. First item. Yeah. First item. I got this dress for €14.96. Let's just say €14.70. I got this beautiful white dress. So I'll put a picture here of the dress. And then I picked up this blazer. It's like a jacket, really long. This is like long. When I said this is from Oli, this is in medium. I picked this up for €36, $35.99. Let's just say €36. I'll put a picture here. It's pretty long. I really like it. It is very beautiful. It came in this clothing hanger. It's sealed, which I really like. I'm trying to get something. I ordered this thing from Aliexpress to like cover my jackets, my blazers that are hanging outside here, so that the dust doesn't come. So, but this thing has not yet arrived. So yeah, I've shown you guys. I picked up this legging. You guys know I love legging pants, and I picked this up. This one was, I picked this up for €21. I picked this on size 38. This one is 38. I'll put a picture here of the legging. And I also pick up some crotch top. I don't know the name. This is like a top, a crotch. Let's just say top. I'm tired of this crotch thing. I picked this up for, wait, where is this top? Oh yeah, I picked this up for €8, 65 cents for this one. I'll put a picture also here. It's just that this one, the picture is no more available in the store. I can't see the picture anymore. But when I definitely wear it, you guys will definitely see it. I picked this one in medium, and I picked this one for €8.09. And I picked up this black pants also from Zalando, and I picked this on for €24.69. I picked this up for 69 cents. So I picked up this, and this pant was in size 40. Leggings I picked size 28 because they're stretchy, and normal pants I picked size 40. This is just one of those black pants you can wear for church or a nice dinner, and that's it. So now let's get into the shoes. I picked up 3 shoes. I think I picked up 3 shoes, and I think that's enough for now. I don't need any shoe anymore. The reason why I'm buying shoes now is because I have a whole lot of shoes downstairs in the we have this thing we call HYDRA. HYDRA, I don't know, it's like a storage downstairs in the downstairs by the kitchen, the corridor. I have a bunch of shoes there, but because I've gained weight, my foot is a little bit fatter. The shoes, they're becoming tight. If you guys want, I'll definitely would like to show you guys there. But all the shoes there, they are becoming very tight. If I wear them, like I can't last in them for 5 minutes. It'd be so painful because it feels like tight. So that's the reason why I'm like picking up some new shoes, because they're tight. They are all 41, 40, size 40. So now I'm buying all 41. So yeah, my foot is, I have quite a big foot, you know. So yeah, like they're really tight. So I'm going to see if I can't wear them anymore. I just have to pack everything and just give away to families. So I pick up this sandal. This is so nice. I thought this would be so nice with the white long dress for in the summer. Put this on, put the dress. I picked this up for 27 euros. Yeah, 26.99. Let's just say 27 euros for this sandal, which I really like. It's so beautiful. I put a picture here, but you guys have definitely see the sandal on its own. It's really beautiful. I really like it. Most of my shoes are getting tight. Like my foot is big, you know. So what else? Oh my god. And then I pick up these shoes. I'm going out. I'm going out in 2 weeks from now. I was invited into somewhere on a party, and I have a lot of black shoes downstairs, but the issue is that they don't fit anymore because of like the issue. They are tight. My foot is a little bit fatter, so the shoes are tight. Yeah, so I needed some black shoe to go out, so I pick up this one. This one I pick it up for, this one's expensive. I pick it up for 81 euros. Yeah, it's really expensive, but I like it. It was the original price was 135, so I feel like that's a good discount, and it feels really really nice when I put it on. And I like the fact that it has this like elastic thing here which holds your feet really nice, and I feel like this would be so nice for the dress that I want to wear when I'm going out. So yeah, I picked this one up, and I've been having this in my wish list for quite a long time. So when I saw it, and I'll be like, you know what, I need a black shoe. I was like, you know what, let me just pick this one up, and it's so nice. This is in size 41. All the shoes are in size 41. This is really really beautiful, really really beautiful. I really like it. I really do like it. And then the last but not the least is this. Whoop. I have been seeing these shoes now for a long time in Zalando, and I really wanted to pick it up, but your girl did not have money. So when I saw it this time, I was like, it's time to pick it up. It was time to pick it up. This is the shoes. Like, I love the shoes. I picked this up for, this was also a little bit expensive. I think the black shoe was the most expensive one, because this one retails for the same 140 euros, 139 euros 95. Let's just say 140. But I pick it up for 70 euros. Yeah, I pick it up for 70 euros, and I really really love it. I love it. It's size 41. I test it. It feels good. I feel like this would be so nice with all black, like black, and then you have these boots, like boom. This is so beautiful. I really really like it. I love the way it feels when you wear it. It feels really good. This is So beautiful. I'll try to put a picture of everything here, and I really like it. So this is everything I picked up. This is everything I picked up, and I really like how everything looks. It feels good. I've tested the shoes to see if they fit, and I must say the black one and this one is something I'm really excited about. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, I always post pictures of outfits when I wear something. So follow me on my Instagram so you guys will see everything everything I picked up, and when I put everything on, you guys will definitely see. Follow me on Instagram, and thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys like this. If you live in Holland, you can check the Zalando. If you just that the Zalando is so difficult to like get the link from my phone onto my YouTube, so that's the reason why I don't really put links, because it's like a little bit stressful. But if you guys are interested in the links, let me know. I'll put it in the comment box for you guys if anyone is interested. But yeah, this is everything I picked up. You know, I'm really excited. I can't wait to try the stuff. I just needed one more black coat. I need a black coat. I don't really have like a full thick black coat. The one I have that is in S, and I still put it on, but it doesn't close anymore. It doesn't close anymore. It's a little bit tight. But right now I think I've spent enough, so let's just wait for next month and to see if I have extra, and I'll buy myself some black coats. And after buying the black coat, I think I'm quite okay now with what I have. I'm quite satisfied, even though I don't really go out a lot, so I don't know why I'm buying. Like, I don't go out a lot, but once in a while when I want to go out, I don't want to stress myself about something to wear. But yeah, I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. This is again Amy.